think I am. So anyway, just cleaning around this rim. Got a lot of rust built up around it. It's leaking air. So what I'm trying to do is I'm cleaning the rust from around it, the bead, and hopefully that'll stop the leak. I hope so.
I bet I will. I bet I will. Hey, watch. I'm about to do it right now.
Hey y'all.
Hmm?
I said hey to me.
No.
Hey y'all. My name is Mason.
That's Mason.
Guys.
That's Mason, my nephew, my great nephew.
Gang, gang.
This is my son, CJ. Y'all seen CJ before.
Hey.
Got a lot of rust around this rim. Kind of dirty. So I'm just scraping the I'm scraping the rust from off the rim and the bead.
So let me go.
Yeah, when them things rusted like that, man, they gonna most of the time they're gonna leak air every time. Like I said, if any type of trash get between your bead and the tire, it's gonna seep air. Especially like these old rims, if they've been sitting up, you know, for a long time, like just like a trailer rim, I think. So, you know, most time when they sitting up for a while, there'll be a rust up inside of it. You know, so I'm hoping by me doing this, it'll fix it. Yeah, it'll fix it, and guess what? I can get paid.
Daddy, guess
Yes,
what?
sir.
Mason's so lucky.
Wow.
Look, there, look. Helium.
Can you get up?
Look. Helium with his mask on in the mirror. Guess what?
Mm-hmm.
A big ant and a freaking spider was finna attack him.
Wow.
Daddy, I did this to that spider. Bah.
Yeah. Well, you know Mason not scared of spiders and stuff. He likes spiders.
Hi, Mason. Hi.
So y'all, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the stem back in, air it up, and I'm gonna see if it's leaking air. So let me sit that back right there. I'll put the stem back in, and then I'll put some air in it and air it up. See what's up. But I'm hoping it's sealed when it's fixed. So let me try and see. Let's see. So we're gonna try and see if this thing still, see if it'll take air, hold air. Put it up to 40 pounds. We're gonna check it and see if it's fixed. I'm gonna put some water around it, spray something around it, the rim, and see if it's still leaking. So, like I say, hopefully we got this fixed. Put about 5 more pounds in here. Then I'll check it and we'll see what's up. Thank y'all for watching, liking, and subscribing. Appreciate it. Yeah, so now we're gonna spray something around the rim and see if it's leaking. CJ, can you give me some water, please? Give me a little bit of water, please. Anyway, I'm out of water. My son gonna check the gonna give me some water, then I'm gonna check it. Sorry about that, y'all. It's a beautiful day today. Nice and sunny. The wind was blowing hard earlier, but now it kind of calmed down. So it's feeling really nice. Just put the water around me, please. Thank you, sir. Okay, that's good.
You got the bubble coming in.
You see?
Right there. There's bubble coming from right there.
Let's check the back side. Okay, so we checked the front side. The front side still leaking. Like I said, it's a lot of rust build up around this rim. So pour some more around it. So what I'm gonna do is now stop. Okay. Okay, yeah.
They seen that look.
Okay, yeah, so give me the marker, the yellow marker. So I'm gonna mark the spot where it's leaking at. I see like one spot. So I'm gonna mark it right there. That way I can know where to clean it at to stop that leak. And do it right here again.
What?
We're gonna mark this front side again. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably I'm gonna have to take the. That's good.
Where is it? Right there. I'm just right there. Pick up
Right here. One right here.
That ain't that. How many is it? Dang. Over here to that.
Okay, one right here.
Anyone?
Can I put some right there?
Okay, so that's good. So what I'm gonna do now, y'all, I gotta take the tire back. I gotta take the stem, the air out the tire, and take the tire off the rim.
Okay.
Okay?
I got to that thing.
So thank y'all for watching. See?
How I do that?
I don't know how to do it.
How I do?
They put the stem leaking.
Stem leaking too?
See, look.
God damn. Okay.
That stem leaking.
Okay. Plus we got a valve stem leak. So now I'm gonna take the top back off, put a new stem in it, and clean around the rim. So we'll be right back.
Thank y'all. Well,
Okay.
the stem was leaking, so we should put another stem back in there.
I want you to take it off your face, please.
Okay.
the stem was leaking.
Yep, so this the new stem that we should put back on there. And it's like you take the stem off and put it back on there.
I gotta make sure it's good because I don't want to take the thing back off no more. Okay.
Yep. That's for the I'll make sure it's clean. So make sure it's clean. So yeah. Well, look brand new. That except for the middle part. What I mean the side part, except for the side part.
I really don't want to have to break this tie on again. So that's why I'm trying to make sure it's clean, really good. Because I don't want to do no rework, extra work. You know, and I can just, while I already have it off, I can just go ahead and make sure it's clean. Really good.
Yep. You got another toy.
Okay.
That's it?
Yep. So, I'm going to put the stem in there. I'm going to hook this thing.
This one? Oh, hold on. Alright.
Okay, so now I got to take that stem out of there.
So y'all do that. Put that on there. We just start twisting. Then just pull it out there.
Yeah, maybe it'd be easy. Let me put it back in first.
Oh, it just came right out there.
What a new one at?
Right here in my hand. Oh, I got to let that go on top with it.
Put it in like this. Don't want to lose that.
What?
Got it? If not, let me see. Oh, that's too big, baby. Get a smaller one.
A smaller one?
Yeah, get a smaller one. Okay, I got the top beads clean. So what I had to do, I had to clean the bead of the tie. Make sure that's get clean.
Alright.
That's really clean. You need to get the one out the bag. Put the white bag in the refrigerator, please. Look at the white bag at the top. You'll see a white bag with something in there. Yeah.
Daddy like this?
Mm-hmm. That's the one you need.
Hey, Jason. What's up, cousin? That's Jason.
Yeah.
Right there. Look. What's up, Jason?
Hey, Jason.
What's up?
What's up?
What you doing?
Say, put your mask on.
You ready to put that in there so I can go ahead and put this top back on there, please?
Okay.
What's up, nephew? Jason, what's going on?
What the business is? Mess, man, sometimes. What? The ram?
The beast cylinder, yes. Remember I told you how to pull it through there?
Yeah, just like to twist it through them.
Mm-hmm.
And you just pull it.
Mm-hmm. Pop this back like this. Lean it on the rim and push down on it. See? See how easy that is?
Yeah. That was easy. Yo, the,
I like
you
fun.
think I put the rim
That's
back
not
on?
football.
Yes.
That's not football.
What?
That was
Okay, we just put a new stem in there too.
Oh, yeah?
So
look.
we got a brand new stem,
They got football.
brand new
Okay.
stem, valve stem in there. Just cleaned around the rim, really good. Really, really good.
Think
So-
I just put it back in there. That's what you had to do.
Now I do a freeze. Wait.
So this thing should be,
Lady, see that?
Mm-hmm.
it should be,
I made this. Freeze. Freeze.
it should be leaking air. You know that. Man, damn, what's the white
Watch
wall
how
off?
lit.
What?
The end.
Probably in. And that, it was in.
The end.
Yeah, it was in.
Like that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get it for you. Oh, yeah, I just had that. Oh, it's right here.
Still didn't want you to get dirty. So when you step on the side, you gotta, you know, I told you I do this. Step on that toe.
They you did that fast. And I'm just gotta add up. Now you gotta add up now.
Yep. Let's air it up and see. See if we solve the problem. Which we should have fixed it by now, man. Brand new stem, cleaned around the rim really nice. And I need the other one. Give me the one that clicks on it. Small one.
This one.
Yeah.
Stop, Jeremiah. That thing, Jeremiah.
Yeah, that's it.
Like, Like, go ahead and pull the blue thing out for you in case it don't work.
It's caught now. Let's see. Let's see. You know, there's always something want to give you trouble.
Yep, yeah, guess what? Look. If it don't work, we gotta use this.
Beast.
What? Yeah.
The tire blaster.
Yeah.
Got it, CJ.
Huh? Oh, y'all do?
Yeah, so now we're gonna pump this top to 40 pounds again
Add up there. Try to-
and see what it do. We'll be back.
That's the half
Oh, I hope we good, CJ.
Me too.
I don't wanna miss this time no more. I think we fixed it, y'all. I think we just sealed it. We just fixed the top. After all that trouble, check your valve stem too, CJ. Valve stem not leaking? Okay. Check the back side. We're gonna check the back side of this tire. Excuse me. Yeah, we're gonna check the back side and I think we'll be done with this. My son checking it right now. We good? Okay, no leaks. He said we good. I'm taking his word. We good. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
I think we got one. Yeah, I think we did. I think that's one.
Okay.
So we have not got the tire. Like, I'm trying to clean it. Yeah, that's the
Okay.
That's
We'll be back in just a second.